Welcome to Camp David, where the content's weird and the customer's always wrong.
Here's cheap broken rubber. Probably should put one of them disclaimers in. Don't do this at home.
We are doing the cab corners. What the previous owner did, and I don't know if it was a timing thing or maybe he just didn't have a welder, but he just bought this piece or he cut it off another truck and he riveted it on here over the existing punky stuff. So what we're gonna do is come through with the grinder and cut a straight line through here, because this is still pretty good metal. We'll clean that up and then we'll do it the right way and we'll weld it back on there. So
all right, all we can do is hack a little bit at a time. Do you want a marker? No, wherever we cut this, it's going to land with the other one. Oh shit, these blades ain't what they used to be. We have to pull this box up back so we can cut around the back side of it. And then, strong as I was when I was 20. Alright. There's that haircut. That's what it looks like under here. So whenever I get all crap. Pick and pull material. Holy crap, this might actually work. Alright, Chris, this is where you come in. Get that up out of there. Get all this shit out. Yeah, they call me Hacksaw. We wore her out. She was out when she was well.
So what are we doing here?
If I knew, I wouldn't be doing it. We're trying to rebuild what shouldn't be rebuilt. Cab corner, no big deal.
I see you overlaid the first one to get an exact line.
So everything lined up so I can stitch weld it in. I don't believe in overlap and crap. Good help's hard to find these days.
Hey, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Is that enough for you? Or you need more? Holy Jesus Christ. I went over there wanting to strip the whole freaking thing, and this here you don't give me shit.
Said we're not building a church.
Yeah. But we ain't building a doghouse either. You know why I just did that? Because I'm too fat to get under it once it's on. Trick to the trade.
What are you going to weld it to?
Yeah, we f***ed something up. Fits perfect. Couldn't ask for a better mistake. Yeah, but that lined up pretty good. It's going to be a nice line. That and about 12 gallons of glass, we'll be all right. Beer break. These old crusty hands aren't used to this cold weather.
We need bungee straps!
Yeah. up by the thing.
If you take a left, right, up here, when you get to the stop sign, and it brings you right to that corner, you'll see.
No, I know where it goes.
Yeah, why don't we ever take this way here? Because it's shorter.
I always go that way. It's up that way.
It's shorter.
Better be lucky than good some days. Go into the light. Ooh,
She factory.
yeah, now she's going. Need to get that in there. That's why they're pointing that.
So what are we talking about, Andrew? What's wrong?
The truck is a Ford.
Oh,
It's your first problem.
there's no emblem on it.
Need to put a nice blower on this. What? I don't know.
Time to get done with the inside of that and the new floor pins. This thing's gonna be bitchy, bro. We're gonna do Pebble Beach with it, but we'll be able to drink beer at Pebble Beach with it. Still gotta get this. So, see this lining up in here. This is the door must be tweaked just a little bit.
The door is tweaked.
So by the time we put the other door, yeah, we gotta fudge it around a little bit. But you know, by the time I get all this in, this is mashed up nice. On the compound curve, man, I got the weld in there. That's I actually impressed myself a little bit, and I didn't even have enough beer to even comprehend this kind of job. But anyways, and then tomorrow I get out, I'll have the other side cut off, and we'll get that prepped, and let's at least get that packed in tomorrow. So my goal thing is to get these on so I can get the back of that painted and the back of this painted. And then when that's fixed, we'll worry about cutting it in. Because that color I'm picking out, that's the color I got an idea of the color in my head. I just got to find, so I got to pick a name, whatever's on there. And then the gunmetal, I don't want this. I want to do the gunmetal. No, serious, but we're doing it my way. It's a big truck, a lot of real estate, and it's got to be split up two-tone anyways, the way it was. So it don't look so obnoxious. No overbearing. It's too much for my pay grade. Oh, that's right. Free. She's solid though. Should've just took the standards. Again, take the standards. Should be alright.
Time for the heat.
Oh, yeah. Too old to be working in these conditions.
Please like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell.
Don't let cheap broken rubber scare you.